What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to set up your SMTPs and API settings in the Brevo. For that, the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the link in the description below and then you will be redirected over here. And once you are in here, all you have to do is to go to the transactional side. Once you're in the transactional side, you will see that there are SMTP servers, SMTP ports, the login, and the password. So you might be thinking these are the credentials for the login to the Brevo, but these are not. What I have to do is I have to go to the AWS where my domain is hosted. I cannot show it to you guys because it's for the confidential purposes, but wherever your domain is hosted, go to there. And once you are in there, just go ahead and then all you have to do is to create an SMTP record in it. And all you have to do in the SMTP server prompt, you have to paste this. In the port, you have to paste this. In the login, you have to paste this. And for the password, you have to paste this. Then go to the next, and you will see there will be a log option over here. Once on the log, it will be verified directly. Once verified, it will work right away. So these are the ways in order to get your SMTP fixed. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.